In this video, we will track our ranking on our keywords, but before we start, I want to show you the Statpress result. So let's go to Overview and show you that how many visitors we are getting. So today on the 10th of Feb, we have 34 visits and there are 58 page views with 8 spider and with 12 feed views. Okay, and this is the graph, the daily graph. The last hit is from this IP here. The country is English country. The page is this one. There is no feed. The operating system, sorry, this is me here. So let's talk from here. I'm using Windows 7 with Firefox 2, and so this is the latest tweet, and this is our search term, best laptop review 2014, and someone viewed our website on this keyword. This is impressive. I didn't see this. Let's go to Yahoo and check. Yahoo.com and search for the same term, best laptop review 2014. Search. Oh yes, and we have our website here, www.reviewanddeals.com. Oh my god, that is pretty impressive. We are on first page of Google, of Yahoo, and let me show you something. And if you check our website indexed page, you can see that we are ranking for the best budget gaming laptop, and this post here is indexed 3 days ago, and we are on first page of Yahoo without doing any SEO or any social media optimization. That is pretty impressive. Okay, alright, let's go to, so this is our state of Statpress, and we are going to track our keyword in Google. So the website we are using is whatsmyserp.com. Whatsmyserp, and it is a website. And on the header of this website, you can see that there is a hyperlink of SERP check, and the SERP stands for search engine result page. And this page is something that you search on Google, like for Facebook. So this is the search result page of this term. So we are going to analyze on our keywords, okay, that where we are ranking. Now this is the panel of the SERP tracking. The first thing you have to do is put your domain name, reviewanddeals.com. So this is our domain name. I would suggest you don't include www, just the domain name and the extension. Now after that, select the region. As you all know that Google works for every country, and the global one, or the global version of Google, is google.com, and for particular country like Afghanistan, it's www.google.com.af, and so on. Okay, so we are going to track on google.com. Now I have filtered some keyword or the possible combination of our focused keyword. So this is our focused keyword, best budget gaming laptop 2014, and the possible combination of this keyword is best budget laptop 2014 or budget gaming laptop 2014, and so on. And same for this keyword. Our focused keyword for the second post was best Windows 8 laptop 2014, and the possible combination is Windows 8 laptop 2014 or laptop 2014 with Windows 8, because it is not necessary that people will search the same term. They may search for this keyword, for this keywords, for this keyword. So we are going to check our ranking on all these keywords. Okay, so let's go to this website and click add row. Oops. Okay, now copy our keyword, paste it here, okay. So after pasting your keyword, you have to just click this check all keyword, and it will check what are the ranking of our website on these keywords. Okay, so let's just click check all keyword. Oops, we got a result. Okay, so it means that for this keyword, best budget laptop 2014, we are on 88th position. And same for this keyword, best budget laptop 2014, we are ranking on 98. And for best gaming laptop 2014, we are on 140th position. And this keyword is nowhere in the top 300 result of Google. And this is our focused keyword. Oh my god. Our focused keyword was best Windows 8 laptop, and we are nowhere in top 300 result. That's great. Oops. Yep. That's a nice result. For this keyword, budget gaming laptop 2014, we are on 22nd position of Google. That is very impressive result. Yeah, one more. Gaming laptops in budget 2014, we are on 25th position, and Google shows 10 result per page. Okay. I think this post is not indexed. Let me check it first. No, our website post is indexed. This one is indexed 3 days ago, and this one is indexed 2 days ago. But I don't know why there is no ranking for the Windows 8 post. Well, okay. But I'm very impressed with these two results here. These three results. So let's go and check manually that if it is a fake result or a original result. So just copy the keyword and search it on Google, and Google shows 10 results per page. So it's saying that we are on 22nd page. So this is the 10, 11 to 20, and 21, 22, 23, 22. Sorry, we are not on 22 position. Let's go to, yep, we are here, but we are on page number 4. Okay, there is a cache problem in my computer. So let's go to hide my ass and check it again. Hide my ass. Google, go. Sorry, it's Google UK. I have to go to google.com. Okay, so we are on google.com. Let's copy this keyword and search. Okay, let's directly go to page number 3 and check if we are on page number 3 or not. Yes, we are here. And it's page number 3, and it is showing that 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's 25th result because Google shows some ads here on the first page, and I am using AdBlock Plus. So this result is the error because I am using AdBlock Plus. But we are on page number 3 for the keyword for the best gaming laptop 2014, and as you can see, it is our website URL www.reviewanddeals.com, best budget gaming laptop, 3 days ago indexed. And if you click this result, you will navigate to our website. That is pretty impressive result because I was not accepting this result, but yep, we are here. So we will rank them on page number 1 after doing the off-page SEO and social media. So by this way, you can track your website keyword that where you are in Google, and this tool will track top 300 result of Google, which means that it will track till 30th page of the Google. 30th page is a 26th. Even there are no result for 30th page, but it will track for 30th. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.